Good morning, Niger. This is Pidgin Vibe News, and your boy will give a correct weather gist for today, February 17th, 2026. North side go wake up with cool breeze this morning, but heat go show face later. Kano State, Kaduna State, and Sokoto State. Morning cold small, afternoon sun go hot well. Borno State, Yobe State, and Adamawa State fit see light dust haze later today. North Central go balance small. Abuja, Niger State, and Benue State, sunshine mix with small cloud. Now make we drop go west side. Lagos State, Oyo State, Ogun State, early morning cloud, afternoon fit get small drizzle. Traffic plus light rain. My people, drive with sense. Calabar for Cross River State, my people, expect steady rainfall later today. Ground fit slippery, so waka careful. South region, no one dull today. Edo State, Benin side go get warm morning, but cloud build-up go bring possible afternoon shower. Heat go still show small. River State, Delta State, Akwa Ibom State, expect better rain later today. Umbrella no be fashion today, na survival tool. Southeast, una own go calm but humid. Enugu State, Anambra State, Imo State, warm afternoon, slight evening breeze. Overall, Niger, today na mix of sunshine, heat, and rain depending where you dey. Stay safe, stay sharp, and no let weather surprise you. So before you come out house tomorrow, check here first.